Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to unblock a website blocked by administrator in 2020. So in this case we have to use the VPN first. Let's check the VPN if it's worked for us. How you get the VPN I'm going to show you now. Right here, browse VPN extension, this one. Click on this, click on first option, now click on add to Chrome, add extension, and you'll see here your VPN is downloading. Hold on. After download it will be saying like this. So how you can see the VPN, go on top here and pin it, it will be showing here. Now how you can open, click on that specific VPN logo and click on start VPN. Okay, now check back your website. If still issue, then just turn off this VPN and remove from Chrome. Alright, now I'm gonna show you the second step. Go to here, three dot, sorry, hold on, click on three dot, which is top right corner, this one. Go to settings, go to advanced settings. If you don't find advanced here, just you should click on this system, go to system and then open computer proxy, this one. Open your computer's proxy and then scroll down and you can see here use the proxy server, and you have to click the address and port. Okay, so how you can do this, just remove this local from here and go one website, this one, spy s.1, click on enter and you'll find many websites proxy here. This is the country and you can use this proxy for free. So I'm taking the first one. Like this, copy and address here. Now I have to find the port. Go again and you'll find the port here, 80. After that click on save, and after click on save you can see the result by going that specific website that was blocked you. So guys, this is how you can do this. Sometime you may need to restart to apply this process, so you can double check and restart this and try again. So guys, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you like this video. Thank you so much.